Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I'll say you some warm-up exercise. Be ready, students. All of you sit in your place. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Rub your hands, put on your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. Stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit. Okay, children, coming to the point. Yesterday what you learned? Yeah, previous class what you learned, children? Previous class you learned ordinal numbers, cardinal numbers. Today, how to compare the numbers. How to compare the numbers, small or big, or greater or smaller. Okay, how to compare. See, children, what is the chapter name? Chapter 3, numbers. In numbers, exercise 3.3. Yes, now comparing the numbers. Comparing the numbers. When you are comparing the numbers, which symbols you will use? Tell me. Greater than, less than, and equal. Yes. Greater, less, or equal you will use. Yes, children. See. Now, which number is greater? Tell me. In these two, see here 5, here 7. Which number is greater? 7 is greater. Yes, because 7. See more we see 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See these sticks. Where is more? Here is more. Yes, here is less. That's why 7 is greater. Understood, children? Next, 2-digit numbers. In 2-digit numbers, 10. This is 1-digit number. Which one is greater? 10 is greater. Yes, 10 is greater than 9. Now, 26. Both are equal. Yes, 26 and 26. Both are equal. Yes, I will say this all. Tell me, children. You should check the ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Yes, should check that. Which place is more? See, this is ones place, this is ones place. In ones place, which one is greater? 7 is greater. Here, ones place, this is ones place, tens place is here. Yes, in ones place, 9 is greater, but 0 is lesser. See, 9 is greater, but 0 is less. But here nothing is there. Here 0 is there. 1 is more than 0. That's why 1 greater 0. That's why 10 is greater. Yes. Now see in this 2. If you compare this 2, ones place, tens place. 6 is equal to 6. Yes. 2 equal to equal. 2 is equal to 2. Yes. Equal. Now, for example, see, here, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, hundred place. Should first compare the number. See, these two ones place. 3 is less than or more, greater than to 9, less. Yes. Now, yeah children, see here tens place, here 6, here 5. Which one is greater? 6 is greater. Here hundreds place, 5, here 2. Which one is greater? 5 is greater. Yes. In hundreds, 5 is greater means 563 is greater than 259. Yes or no? Hundreds place. You should check first 100 place. If you check 100 place, which number is greater? 5 is greater than 2. That's why this number is greater than to this number. Understood children? What I am saying? See, 899, 900. See, in this, which number is greater? See, 9 is greater, 0 is less. 9 is greater, 0 is less. But here, in hundreds place, which number is greater? 8 is greater, 9 is greater. Which number is greater? 9 is greater. That's why 900 is greater. Understood children? What I am saying? You should compare. See, ones place. 9 is greater than 0. Tens place. 9 is greater than 0. Then hundreds place. 8 is less than 9. Understood? What I am saying? I will show you some example in the textbook children. Everyone open your textbook. 3.3 open ma. Children, we have already learnt compare the numbers using the signs greater than, equal and less than. Let us recall the same. Okay. Count the numbers of object in each image. Compare them using the proper sign. Greater, less or equal in the given boxes. Okay. See these pictures children. Both pictures. See in this how many tortoises are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tortoises. Here how many dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dogs. Yes. Which group is more? Which group is less? Tell me. Tortoises are more or dogs are less? Which one? Which one is more? Tortoises or dogs? See, tortoises are more because here 9, here 6. 9 is more than 6 or 6 is more than 9? Yeah, 9 is more than 6. That's why you should write greater symbol. Yes. Next, turn the page. See, here they given ice creams. Yes. In this image, how many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ice creams. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Yes. Which image is more? Here. See, 8 is more than 4. Yes. Greater symbol you should write. Understood children? Yes. See here, lions. How many lions here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lions. How many tigers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the images equal. Yes, here also 5, here also 5. Both are equal. Equal symbol you should write. Okay children? Compare the following numbers using less than, greater than or equal. See numbers children. 865, 738. Which number is less? You should compare this. Already I told you. In a hundreds place, which number is greater? 8 is greater than to 7. That's why you should write greater than symbol. Understood children? Next, 989. Greater or lesser than to 988? Tell me. See, in ones place here 8, here 9. 9 is greater. As in tens place 8, 8 is equal. Hundreds place 9, 9 is equal. But ones place 9 is greater than to 8. That's why you should write here greater symbol. Understood, children? Next, see this. Compare this. See, in thousands place, which number is greater? 3 is greater, 4 is greater. 4 is greater than to 3. That's why you should write here greater than symbol. Understood, children? Here, in thousands place, here 5 is here 6 is here. Which one is greater? 6 is greater. That's why you should write like this. This is lesser, this is greater. Next, here 765. Here 765. Both are equal. S equal symbol you should draw. Again, here 2090, 4000. Which one is greater? See, here ones place 0 is here ones place 0. Tens place 0, here 9. Here hundreds place 0, here 0. But thousands place which number is greater? 2 is greater, 4 is greater. 4 is greater than to 2. That's why you should write like this. Understood, children? Now, see this. 9873. 9873. Both are equal. Next, 8746. 7846. Which is the greatest number? In thousands place, which number is greatest? 8 is greatest or 7 is greatest? 8 is greatest. That's why you should write greater number. Did you understood, children? See, children, compare the numbers in the given pairs. Here they have given the pairs. Okay, you should compare that. See, 936, 467. Which is the greatest number? Should check first hundreds place. Hundreds place, which one is greatest? 9 is greater, 4 is greater, 9 is greater. Then 936 greater than 467. Understood, children? See, listen, see here. 93, 56. See, ones place, tens place. See, in tens place, which number is greater? See, which number is greater? 9 is greater, 5 is greater, 9 is greater. Then 93 is greater than 56. See, hundreds place. 2 is greater, 4 is greater, 4 is greater. Then 259 is less than 469. Understood? Next, 339. 339. Both are equal. As see, 339, 339. Both are equal. 945, 895. Which is greater? You should check hundreds place first. Hundreds place, which number is here? 9 is here. Here 8 is here. Yes. Now, which number is greater? 9 is greater than 8. Yes. 945 is greater than 895. Now, here 460, 460. Both are equal. As now 88, 84. Which number is greater? See, here tens place, both are equal only, na? Now, then ones place, see, ones place, 8 is greater than 4. That's why 88 is greater than to 84. Understood, children? What I said? You should copy in the classwork. Everyone open your classwork and copy this. Ascending order. The arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Ascending order means what? Small to greatest. As small number to greatest number, we will call ascending order. Okay, we will arrange the numbers in small to greatest. Understood, children? See, the arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Descending order. The arrangement of the numbers from the greatest to smallest. See, greatest number to smallest number we will arrange as in the order. That is called descending order. See, ascending order means what? The arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Descending order means the arrangement of numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, children, how you should do, I will say you how to arrange the numbers. First, you should compare the numbers. After that, you should arrange in the smallest number to greatest number. Again, you should compare the numbers and you should arrange the numbers in greatest to smallest number. Okay, children? This one write in the classwork first. Ascending order. See, ascending order. The arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Say, the arrangement of the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Descending order. The arrangement of the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. What is the descending order? The arrangement of the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Write in the classwork, children. See, children, arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Already I said you, ascending means what? Small number to big number. Descending means what? Big number to small number. See, for example, see, in these numbers, which one is smallest number? Tell me, children. We should check the number. See, 100 place. All 100s only is here. S, here. Check. Now, tens place. Coming to the tens place. See, here 9, here 6, here 3, here 6, here 5. Which number is smallest number in this? 3 is smallest number. S. Now 135 is smallest number. Next, which is next number? 3 after, which is next number? 5. S. 156 is next number. After that, see, here also 6, here also 6. But you should check again one's place. See, here 5, here 0. Which one is more than 2, 0? 5 is more than 2, 0. Yes, that's why you should write 160. After that, 165. After that, 195. Understood? Ascending means what? Small to big. See, smaller number to big number. Understood? Large number. Small number to large number. Now, descending. This is called ascending order. Okay, ascending order this. Now, descending order. Greatest number to smallest number. See, greatest number is 195. After that, 165. After that, 160. After that, 156. After that, 135. This is called descending order. Understood, children? What I am saying? See, one more example. See, in these numbers, ascending order, which number will come first? 364. Because, see, once 100 plus you should check. See, 100 plus which one is smallest number? 3 is smallest number. That's why 364 came. After that, 463. After that, 784. After that, 843. After that, 946. Understood? Ascending order. Now, descending order means what? Big number to smallest number. 946 is greatest number. After that, 843. After that, 784. After that, 463. After that, 364. Descending order. Already you know comparing the numbers. Yes, compare the numbers means which one is small, which one is big. Already you know that. If you know that, you can do this easily. Understood, children? What I am saying? If you know comparing the numbers, you can do easily ascending order and descending order. Understood? Write in the classwork, ma. First you should know what is that ascending, what is that descending. Ascending means what? Small to big. Descending means what? Big to small. Yeah, children. Form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit numbers in the given numbers. Okay. See, here they given the number. What is that numbers? 4, 8, 3. In these numbers, you should form the greatest number and smallest number. In this number, which one is greatest? 8 is greatest. After 8, 4. After that, 3. 8, 43 is greatest number. S. Understood, children? Greatest number. Now, in these numbers, you should write smallest number also. See which one is smallest here? 3 is smallest. After that, 4. After that, 8. This is smallest number. Understood, children? What we are doing here? We are making the one number. We are using 3 numbers and we are making one number. Understood, children? See? Here 5, 9, 4. Okay. Here how many numbers here given? 3 numbers here given. In these 3 numbers you should make greatest number and smallest number. See which one is greatest in these numbers? 9 is greatest. After that 5. After that 4. 954. Understood? This is greatest number. What you are doing here? You are forming the number. You are using these numbers and you are forming the one number. Understood? Now, which one is the smallest number? 4. After 5. After 9. 459 is smallest number. Understood, children, what I am saying? We are using these 3 numbers. After that, you are forming the one number. That is greatest number and smallest number. One more example. See, 3, 8, 1. See, which one is the greatest number in these 3 numbers? 8. After that 3. After that 1. See, 831 is greatest number. Now, smallest number 1. After that 3. After that 8. 138 is smallest number. Understood, children? See, you should form the numbers. Form the greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers. Should write in the classwork, ma. Yes, children, open your workbook. 3.3 amma, concept 3.3. Okay, multiple choice questions. Compare and choose the proper sign. Okay, you should choose the proper sign and you should write in the blanks. Okay, see here they given eds. S, which group more eds are there? You should compare that. Okay, see first group. What is that first group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 eds here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 12 is more than 15 or 15 is more than 12? Tell me, which will come? Which sign will come there? See first one, B. Understood, children? Next, second one. See 5 dash 5 equal or greater than symbol. Which symbol you should write? C. Understood, children? Third one, 8 dash 7. 8 is greater than 7. S, A. Option A. Next, fourth one. A 2-digit number is always dash a digit number, 3-digit number. Less than or greater than, equal or same? Tell me. Less than. 2-digit number less than 2, 3-digit number always. Yes. While comparing 2-digit numbers, compare the tens when the digit in the dash place are equal. See, while children, 15th one, very short answer questions, applications ma. Write the given number in ascending order. What they given? 200, 100, 300, 400 they given. You should write the ascending order. 15th one. See, 100 is smallest number. After that 200. After that 300. After that 400. Yes, this is called ascending order. Next, 16th one. Sania has 3 books. Harry Potter, Quidditch and Percy Jackson. The number of pages for each book are given below. Harry Potter 353 pages. Quidditch 144 pages. Percy Jackson 400 pages. She wanted to start reading the book with the least number of pages. Which book is she started reading? See, you should compare that. The digits in the hundreds, tens and ones place of those numbers. See, 16th one. Comparing the digits in the hundreds, tens and ones place. Of these. See these numbers: 114, 353, 400. Yes. So Sania will start reading with Kudich. Understood, children? See, 17th one. What you have to do? First write this. After 17th one and 18th one I will say you. Yes, take out 17th one ma. From the last and smallest 3-digit numbers using the digit 2, 6 and 4 only once. Okay. 17th one. What you have to use? You should use 2, 6, 4 and you should write the numbers, smallest and greatest number. Arrange the digits. Ascending. Ascending order you should arrange. 2 greater than 4 greater than 6. Yes. So the smallest number is, see, in the smallest number is 246. Yes. To form the largest number, but reverse you should write means smallest. In the smallest number, if you do reverse means which number will come? Large number will come. Yes, children. See, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 2, 4, 6. Place value already know na, children? Yeah. Next. So 642. 642 is the largest number. Understood, children, what I am saying? Now, if you did reverse this smallest number means largest number will come. Yes, 642 will come. 642 will come. Understood? We should arrange the digits in ascending order first. Okay. What their numbers they given. After that you should form the smallest numbers. After that you should form the largest number. Understood, children? If you form the smallest number means that reverse will come largest number. As that one you should write. Copy properly in the workbook, children. Now 18th one, children. Use the two different digits with repetition from the following. See, A. Greatest 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number. See, 19th one. The A1. Greatest 3-digit number it seems. Okay. Greatest 3-digit number is, see, 998 using the digit 9 and 8. Okay. Next, B1. The smallest 3-digit number. The smallest 3-digit number. Tell me what is that smallest 3-digit number? 100. S. Hundred. Using digit 1 and 0. Understood, children? Here the first one, the greatest 3-digit number 998 using digit 9 and 8. The smallest 3-digit number is 100 using the digits 1 and 0.